how to format your SD card in your Avata 2. Not forgetting, guys, also your goggles free, because it's got an SD card in there. I know the thing is, when you order these drones, they don't come with SD cards. So the first thing you've got to make sure, guys, you've got SD cards. And I think it's most important to have an SD card in here and also in your drone, because the one that's in here will give you an aid on how you're flying. You can see what's going on. I'm talking about how fast you're going, how high you're going, also some of the settings. So, SD card. So this is the SD card. This is the SD card I use. But if you go into any retailer and just say you got a drone, they'll take you straight to that. Obviously, if you look on Amazon, you can do plenty of searches, guys, to get the right sort of SD card. So that's the most important thing. I think it's most important, guys, that you do format your card. Now, what you should do after every flight is download all the information off your SD card, put it back into your drone, and before you go out flying, just turn everything on, which I'm going to show you in a moment, and format the card, so then you know that when you're out, because sometimes you might, shoot a couple of minutes, you might be shooting for an hour or so if you've got the free batteries. And it's always nice to know that you've got plenty of storage. Now, if you didn't know, the drone itself, the Avata 2, has got an internal storage of 46 gigs. So that's pretty good. I mean, especially if you're flying and you're shooting in 4K 60. But what I tend to do is obviously use the footage that's on the external card and obviously on the goggles. Now, the goggles don't matter so much because they're shooting at a lower resolution. But on the drone itself, if you're doing 4K 60, it didn't take long to build it up. So how do we do it? Pretty simple process. Just going to show you now. Obviously, the first thing you need to do first, guys, is actually turn on your drone and your motion controller and your goggles free. And what you see now is what I'll put up on the screen there. So everything's there. Now, what I tend to use is my little button on the top there to get me around onto the, there it is. So let's go through the process. So we scroll down to settings. Click on settings, we then go to camera, click on that, and then you can see at the bottom there, it's storage, but we don't really need to do that because that's just telling us what's available on the SD card. I've got 119 gig because I've already emptied my card out anyway. So if I go into format, what it's going to do then is going to give you an option for free. You've got the goggles, the aircraft, and the internal. So what we're going to do first, we'll go up to the top one first, and you just click on it. You then go down to confirm, and it will then format that card. And it will say OK, so you click on it. You then go down to aircraft, click on that. Down to confirm, click on that. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, if you, for some reason, you was using the internal card, it's obviously the same process. You just click on that. You just go the wrong way there and confirm that as well. Now, it won't tell you actually what's on the card. So, we've just done that. So we come out of that now. If we go up to where it says storage and we click on that, you've got SD card and you've got an internal card. Now, like I said before, I've already done my SD card, and there's internal. Now, if I wanted to, I could just use the internal card. For some reason, maybe what happens sometimes with me, because I go out with a few other drones, if I'm flying my Mini 4 Pro, and for some reason I'm short on that, I will remove the SD card that's on the Avata 2 and put that in there and use the internal storage on this. So that gives you like a sort of a backup. The external SD card, click on that, there it is, and then we can just come out. And that's it. It's as simple as that, guys. But I'll tell you what, it's the most important thing to do, guys. Because I can remember that over the years when I was learning to fly drones, one of the things I always forgot, and I know because it happens, because I go out with my mates sometimes, and they're flying away, and it comes up saying they've got no more storage. So remember, before you go out, format your card, or sometimes maybe when you come back after a day's flying, download all your stuff, format your card. But another thing I will say, which I know this happens as well, is when you download in all the information, make sure you remove it from the PC or however you're downloading it. Because I know that's happened before. You've gone out, and it's only when you put on your goggles, it will say there's no SD card. So just be warned. I think that's another good reason why DJI do put, I just mentioned before, the 46 gig, that's actually built into the drone. Hope you found that useful. Now what I've done now, I'll put a little bit of drone footage on the end of this. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you, because there'll be another video coming very soon.